In this video, I'm going to show you how to use kinesiology tape to reduce TFCC pain. I'm using a specific product here called RockTape Rayon, and I'm using this because it's a little bit thicker and therefore should provide some extra support and hopefully improved pain relief to the TFCC. Now I need the first piece to wrap around my wrist, and these pre-cuts are a little bit too long for that, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half and then make sure I've rounded off the ends of my tape. So I'm going to put the first piece of tape over the back of my wrist so that my wrist joint is covered by the tape and it's going out over my ulnar, over that little finger side. I'll then turn my wrist over to pin that tape in place between my forearm and the couch or table if you've got your arm on the table. Then pull the tape nice and tight, wrap it under the wrist, across the thumb side of the wrist, and stick it down before sticking the final piece down with no stretch. There should be a little bit of a gap left between the two pieces of tape, and the tape has already wrapped around your wrist, which if you move your wrist from side to side, you'll feel that it's offering a little bit of stability and slight restriction to that movement. Now there's two extra bits that you can add to improve this application. Take another piece of the pre-cut tape and cut that in half. Take your first of the two pieces and peel away the backing paper at one end, and then stick that just at the base of your thumb just before it starts to overlap the existing tape. Secure that in place and give it a good rub down to make sure it's well stuck onto the skin, because you're then going to stretch it the best you can over that side of the wrist and then stick down just here. So you're looking for about 60% stretch. Any more than that and it will start to peel away from the anchor point just here. Make sure that that is secured and rubbed down onto the skin. Then you want to repeat that on the other side. So once again, peel away the backing paper on one side and stick that down over the little finger side of your hand. Peel away the existing backing paper till you've got a little bit left on the end. It is a bit fiddly, but I'm showing you how to do this yourself and I've got every confidence that you can do it. Make sure that's stuck down and then pull that nice and tight over the ulnar side. You're looking for about 60% stretch. Give the tape a good rub and secure it all in place, and that is your TFCC Kinesiology taping using RockTape Rayon. Give it a go and let me know in the comments how you get on.